imagine that you divide your experience up into is and isn't, okay? Because you seem to like that kind of stuff, right? So the is in this case, so I'm making the distinction, so I get to say what it is. So is in this case is what is objective, biologically true. It exists in this moment now. I is, you is, we're experiencing is, that kind of thing, right? I breathe is. Okay, so that's the is. Now, what's the isn't? Everything else. See, the isn't is concept. You have a thought. You say, but the thought is, I just had it, right? Okay, but it's a figment of mind. It doesn't actually exist. It's not physiological. It's an activity. It's something happening. You see what I'm saying? So I'm calling that a world of isn't. Just like if you dream, right? You have a dream. When you wake up, you say, oh, the dream wasn't true. The dream didn't really exist. You say, well, in the dream it did, it's like I thought I was dreaming, but you thought it was real, right? So you thought that thing you were trying to do in the dream and the was real. And then you wake up and you go, oh, it wasn't. It was just my mind. It was just a figment of mind. It was an imagination. So if we put imagination, concept, and I want to invite us to consider concept in a much broader sense than most people do. I'm not talking about whimsical. I'm talking about pretty much the reality you're perceiving right now. Okay, in addition to the whimsical and stuff, right? So if we do imagination, thinking, etc., into the isn't category, you see, that's the isn't category. Is objective, etc. Now, what I'm claiming here in this is never causes suffering. Is real life doesn't cause suffering. Say, the wall behind you doesn't cause suffering. You see, etc. None of that causes suffering. Breathing doesn't cause suffering, right? You can have challenges, of course. I can't breathe, and you say, I'm suffering, you panic, etc. Right. But we got to notice too, or at least acknowledge that the reason you're panicking is because of something isn't applied to the is. You see, you say, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. Okay, and you might be right. Okay, see, but still, it's an isn't applied to is. But most of our isn't is extremely not just social and cultural, but it's unnecessary. You don't have to do it. For future isn't. People think future is. No, where is it? Say, well, just wait, it'll come. No, it won't. Because when it comes, so-called, it's now. Okay, it's always now. It's never leaves now, and you've never left now in your entire life.
Well, I'm thinking a little bit about the whether this is best approached as a conflation, getting the is and the isn't mixed up, or whether it's better approached as like the need for a more skillful matching between is and isn't, like, because you could, I imagine I'm going to die and it's not true, but then if it is true and I'm like, oh, I'm going to die, in some ways the concept and the fact have come together very nicely in that case. Is this more a problem of getting concept and experience mixed up, or of not skillfully docking them together the right way?
Both. See, and I appreciate the distinction. Now, see, the first thing that has to happen in people is they have to realize what they're doing. And so I recommend doing kind of like wholesale, is separate the is from the isn't. And saying first, just wholesale, just boom. Okay. Then recognize what's what. So, and the suffering always comes from the isn't, which is to say, the suffering always comes from something your mind is doing, from your imagination, from something you're creating in your mind, right? Worry, depression, something's missing, I'm worthless, whatever. See, all these things, like loneliness. Oh no, it's not. I am lonely. Yeah. See, without your mind adding, remember what Shakespeare said, there's nothing so good and bad that thinking makes it so, Say, see, now that's when people confuse or conflate the thought they have as if it's real, like the wall is real. Now we had a problem. See? So if you think that I'm depressed, just like there's a wall there, there's depression here, there's nothing I'm suffering it. I don't know why I'm depressed. I can't do anything about it, whatever, blah, 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 Say, no, you're creating the depression. Oh, no, I'm not creating. Yeah, you are. See, let's take an easy one, right? Like, I'm worried. Well, it's easy to show, right? I mean, you're worried because of something you think is going to happen in the future. So you have to have a scenario of something in the future, right? That's going to happen in order to worry. If you don't have that, you can't worry. Oh, but no, you can't worry. Existentially, I'm saying you can't worry. So you need it. It's like a component, right? If you have no future, you can't worry. If you have no scenario, idea, oh, my kids are going to blow up in a Holocaust, whatever, in a hurricane, whatever. You say, oh, if you don't have that scenario, if you don't have it, there's nothing to worry about, is there? Okay, stop having it. But then I'm what? But then I won't be prepared. I'm not going to survive. Okay, good. The excuses and justifications for keeping it, keep it. Okay, they're just there to help you keep it. Throw away the excuses, throw away the justification. I mean, if you want to end suffering, see, and grasp it, something you're doing, stop doing it. And all this excuse, but it's necessary, isn't it? No, it's not. No, it's not. And you see, like, for example, with worry, right? Has your worry ever done anything except, give you ulcers? You know what I'm saying? Probably not. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I need to take action. Good, then take action. Don't worry, take action. Run out there, grab your kids, pull them into the what do you call that, basement or something like that, right? Whatever it is, take action. Don't sit there and worry. You see? If there's nothing you can do, why worry? It sounds like Mad Comics. Very, very old. Very old guy. Anyway, you see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody says, oh, my girlfriend left me. She went to California. I'm in Texas right now. So say my girlfriend left me. And it's like, oh, I'm suffering that. And I have to suffer. I say, no, you don't. Well, yeah, I do. Okay, maybe you do, like, a certain amount of grief is appropriate, but say, like, I'm missing my girlfriend. Stop. What? I can't. She's not here. I know. What is here? Well, there's a wall and breathing and me. Okay, good. Stop missing your girlfriend. See, you're doing that. You see what I'm saying? You're doing that. See, now you can see the resistance that's going to come up for people, right? Because we live in this world like we have no choice. Again, we make these as if they're the wall, and they're not the wall. There's something we're doing. Stop doing it. The suffering goes away. You follow? See, and also when you shift, like you talked about, the distinction of whether we do, like, complete split or we learn to marry them differently. The marrying them differently is to get in simple, right? And simple is to get this business here is like, we're into action. If you take action, basically, you do something about it, it's now is. See, you've moved it away from isn't or concept, mind, crap, to doing something. See? So I say, get in your car, drive to your girlfriend, go get her back. See, and the moment you do that, you'll stop suffering, won't you? See, you've probably suffered that one once or twice, right? I mean, most people have, right? See, and it's like, but the moment you do that, you'll stop suffering. When you get to her, maybe you'll suffer some more. but when you're taking action, you understand? See, now you're not like just conceptualizing something I'm missing. I'm doing something about it.
Thanks for watching. If you find value in the work we're doing here and want to get involved, I have some invitations for you. Join the newsletter and get real insights and weekly facilitation. Check out the school community, the Consciousness Path, and engage with others who are doing this work and access free course material. And if you're serious and want to have major insights and breakthroughs for yourself, you're invited to join a workshop. They're more powerful than you think. Links for all this can be found in the description below. Ciao for now.